Hello everybody, my name is Isaac and I am the CEO of ObsidianROV, and today I'll be introducing you guys to something that is really important in your professional career and development in robotics, and that is the ability to use CAD. And CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. If you're used to technical drawings, meaning like orthographic drawings and stuff, you know that those are quite tedious and they take quite a while. CAD makes things a lot easier, and most of all, it saves money and time. So without getting too ahead of ourselves, let's get into the actual CAD. So I'm going to be using Autodesk Inventor, which has a free student version for 3 years, which is quite nice if you're a student. And so I will click on this button, the new button. Let's go. And then it's going to ask if you want assembly, drawing, part, presentation. And we're going to want the part, and the part is just a simple part, as it describes. And an assembly basically assembly is a bunch of parts together. So this is more this is, like it says here, a bunch of squares together, and the part is just one of those squares. And the drawing is like, if you're experienced with technical drawings, it's just laying it out on paper. And presentation, you can do all sorts of cool stuff with that, but we'll do that in a few videos ahead. So let's start with our part. And Autodesk may take a little while to process your thing, and if you get this not responding, don't worry, it should work. But I haven't booted it up today. Okay, loading, please wait. That's what we want. Nice. Okay. So yeah, in this video we're actually going to be making basic extrude features. At the end of this video, you'll know what extruding is in Autodesk Inventor. So we're greeted with this blank screen. And to start anything, we're going to have to make a sketch. And from this sketch, we can do all sorts of the functions. So if you go to under your sketch tab, you can't really do anything. It's all disabled because you don't have a sketch to do that from. So you can click Start New Sketch, and it's going to present you with this weird thing. At first I was intimidated by this, yes, I will admit, but basically your XY plane is your front, your XZ plane is your like your top surface, and this is interesting. So let's start on our XY plane, because that's our most basic one. That's our front one. Okay, and now we're greeted here with a center point and a kind of thing. I think it's called an axis, or I don't know. So I'm going to be starting off with drawing a rectangle, and to do that we click the rectangle button. It's as simple as that. And then from this center point, I'll click on the center point. And then I'll click somewhere else here. And then I will dimension these. And to dimension them, we're just giving them measurements, because we just randomly clicked. We want to dimension this. So we want the width of this part to be, say, 1 inch. Hey, let's make this a cube. Let's make it 1 inch tall. And if you're wondering what the green line means, the green line means it's not constrained. We have a part when it's not constrained if you don't dimension it properly. So here we hit 1, and Autodesk knows that this is a 1 by 1 part. Awesome. And now I will introduce the Extrude feature. If you hit E, it brings you to the Extrude feature, or you can do 3D model extrude. I'll do that one. Then you want to click what you want to actually extrude. So I want to actually extrude this one, and I will extrude that 1 inch this way. What this basically means that if you can see here, I'll just, oh no, that's not what I want. But if you can change, when you change this, say 1.5, what your extrude is basically pulling it in or pulling it out. In this case, it's pulling it out and towards your direction. So that would be, we want 1, right? And hit OK. It's going to present us with this lovely cube. Awesome. And if you just did -1, it would just go in the other direction. Awesome. And I think that concludes it for this video. This is a very basic introduction to dimensioning and extruding and stuff of that sort, and I will see you in our next videos, and I will see you at the competition. So this is Isaac, CEO of ObsidianROV.